but they give me radical camel toe. It is not cool. Not at all. And hey you guys, what is good? I look like death and sound like death. Been kind of sick, but it's okay because I'm starting to feel better. And I just watched this amazing documentary on Netflix, and it inspired me to do what I'm about to do right now, which is clean out my damn dresser and closet in general. By the way, I am partnering with Balance Swim for this video, so stay tuned for that a little bit later. They're an awesome swim company, uses recycled materials, so you'll hear about them in the end. I had plans to do this, and okay, I had plans to do this. Oh my god, let me start over. I had plans to do this, right? Like I was gonna do it because I am planning on moving after I get married with my now fiance, soon to be husband. So exciting. Anyway, we're gonna move somewhere probably like overseas or far away. So I was definitely going to have to purge a lot of what I own. Anyway, this is very disorganized. So what was I saying about the documentary? Yes, the documentary. Oh my god, you guys. Go watch it immediately. Immediately go watch it, like click off this video, go watch it on Netflix. It's called Minimalism. If you're someone who watches me and you're like inspired by me, if you take something away from my message of like sustainability, like it's just the best ever. Very enlightening and like such a great sick movie to watch. Like a great movie to watch like while I was sick, but I was also like sick. So we're just gonna do this now because I am friggin' amped. I'm friggin' amped. Because usually when I go, I'm talking a lot right now. I'm sorry. I am going to clean my closet out with the intention and mindset of moving far away. As in, I literally need just like a suitcase and that's all that I can take. Let's do this. Sorry, that was a lot of talking. Let's do this. Not okay. Alright, I don't know what to do. I just wanted to let you know this cool little exercise outfit, chill outfit that I have on is 100% thrifted. Yes, this shirt is Brooks. You heard it here. Thrifted a Brooks shirt, like, oh my god, so happy. Anyway, I feel like that's a common misconception about thrift stores is you can't find like exercise gear. Like, dang, this stuff is nice. Brooks shirt, come on. All right, just wanted to like let you know about that. I know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna pull out all of the things that I know that are my favorites, and then I'm gonna put in another pile the things that I really like but I don't really wear, and then I'm gonna have a pile of absolute no's, and then we're gonna go from there. All right. So here we go, you guys. These are my absolute yeses, maybes, and absolutely nots. I'm pretty proud to say, I mean, as a lot of you know probably, but like probably 90% of this stuff is thrifted in the first place. And that's something that I'm just really proud of. So right here, I have my red overalls. I have a video on that. I'll link it below. My jean skirt, which I upcycled from a pair of men's jeans. This jean skirt is my pride and joy. I saw a girl on Instagram wearing something like this and I was like, I have to have that. Like, that's an everyday basic. Went out and just freaking did it. Like, it was not hard, you guys. I have to make a tutorial on that, and I will. I'm so sorry I haven't already. I have camo shorts, white shorts, 2 pairs of jean shorts, and a pair of black denim shorts. And those are my yeses. Then I have some exercising shorts and the sarong that I love. And that will do it for shorts. Let's move on to shirts, which might be a little bit harder. Okay, as I'm going through my stuff and figuring out what I am gonna put in each pile, I'm doing it pretty quickly. I'm not giving myself much time to think and dwell on the item. I'm just saying, do I wear this or do I not wear it? And it's kind of helping me a lot because I think when you stop and dwell over something as small as just like a clothing item, that you really don't wear a lot and you're like, oh, well, and just think about it for too long, it really does just increase your like anxiety and just stress. Honestly, you guys, whenever I get rid of something, and this is how I've started thinking about my clothing and like things in my life as of like pretty recently, is I ask myself, am I really gonna miss this? Am I going to remember even ever like having this? And 9.9 times out of 10, I don't remember it. I don't miss it. Asking yourself that question can really help too. My little handful of upcycles here. Let's see what I actually wear or not. Okay, we've got my winter yeses. We've got my upcycled no's, which are kind of a lot. Sadly, they're also cute, but it's just like I never reach for them for some reason. These are my no's and these are my yeses. I have to mention as well, like my yes pile seems pretty big here, which I don't know like how much, like what it's gonna actually look like to take 1 or 2 suitcases and move somewhere. You know, I'll have to just see about that later. But some of you might be skeptical, being like,
oh, you're calling yourself a minimalist and you have this giant pile of shirts.
Minimalism is not about how little you own and like a competition to own so little. It's owning the things that give you value and not owning things that do not give you value. All of these things I am saying yes to because I love them, and I also love fashion. That contributes a lot. Let's move on to t-shirts. Oh god, t-shirts. This is gonna be hard. Yeah, so this is my no pile and this is my yes pile. I told you it was gonna end up like this. Oh my god, I live in t-shirts. Like, as someone who doesn't care about looking cute 90% of her life, I really cherish like a good t-shirt, and this speaks for itself right here. I might have to get rid of some before we go off to unknown lands, but we'll see. We'll see about that. I might just have to burn the rest of my closet and just bring my t-shirts, because that's just... Alright, moving on to pants. Okay, here's where we're at. This one is one that's kind of hard for me, but also like a very clear decision of what needs to happen. In my nose here, I have a couple that I upcycled. This one I actually took a lot of time on, but I never grabbed them, and they're not for me for a lot of reasons. These ones I'm giving away. I thrifted these, and they're like the perfect wash, the perfect cuff, like the perfect jean. But guess what? I don't look good in them at all. They're like 2 sizes too big. It's just like I wish they were a cute boyfriend jean, but they're not. I upcycled these as well. They're not cute at all. I have something to say about these pants. I saw these in Target one day. I looked at these pants and was like,
oh my god, I need these. I need these right now.
And my lovely then boyfriend, now fiance, was like,
come on baby, let's go to the cash register. Anything you want, I'll get them for you.
And he did. He bought them for me. That sweet pea. Yes, he did. Really is the nicest person that I know. And he bought them for me, and I haven't touched them since that day. And that's really sad. And that's why I have not given them away before today. It's actually kind of messed up how like we hold on to things that have just a slight sentimental value. You know what I mean? Not value even. They're just like,
oh, my boyfriend bought them for me. I can't give them away.
but it's like, girl, you don't wear them and you never will. I can't even clear my throat. Anyway, I just want to kind of tell that anecdote because I feel like that's also a reason why people kind of hang on to stuff for longer than they need to. It's because it can be really hard to like give things up and let go of certain items. They're Athleta pants, but they give me radical camel toe. It is not cool. Not at all. And gotta go. Absolutely not. Cannot justify that one anymore. Let's move on to my closet real quick. Moving on to my closet, I have to say I've already kind of adjusted this closet because it is so small to be the stuff that I like to wear. But let's go through it just real quick and then I'll show you my other closet, which is a mess and giveaway, and I don't know why it's still in my house. This has sentimental value. It was my grandma's. I actually need to like double triple check that it was my grandma's. It's like a very old skirt, very cute and fun, like very SJP NYC kind of thing. Just need to check with my mom on that. Need to fact check the skirt, so I'll do that, and then yeah, because you care so much. Let me take you to the closet where I shove everything that I don't want to look at and deal with into. Alright, here we go. Boom! Yes, this is the closet where my stuff goes to die. But this is just extra winter stuff that I'm not wearing right now, and stuff that I would like to sell on Poshmark, but I can't because I am just so bad at Poshmark and I need help with that area. Just this pile of stuff, just I want to sell it, but it's never gonna happen, so it's fine. So let's just move on to the shoes. These are my yes shoes and these are my no shoes. These go bye-bye. And I still have a couple more pairs in my car that I'm gonna keep. Okay, let's debrief. So, okay, all right. Here are my no's. That includes that entire closet in there that I just showed you, my terror closet. I think I did okay today. I think I could have gotten rid of more. Trying to have the mindset of like moving somewhere and only having 1 or 2 suitcases to take with you. It's actually a really big deal, and going through this for the first time today with that mindset, I realized that I'm really gonna have to pick and choose. I think this was a really great exercise. I think physically getting all of this stuff out of my house, out of my possession, will like make me be able to breathe again. I've been wanting to do that for such a long time, and like I was talking about the big closet in there with all my stuff that I want to sell on Poshmark, but like it's just not gonna happen. I'm gonna have to donate them. So it is what it is, and like that's totally fine with me. So I want to tell you a little bit about Balance Swim, who I am partnering with for this video. They reached out to me and were kind enough to send me one of their swimsuits, and I'm very happy to be telling you guys about them because I love what they're doing. First of all, their swimsuits are made from recycled materials that were once destined for the landfill, which is epic. I just think that's amazing. And to add on to that, the fabrics of their swimsuits are just super high quality. They're just like luxe feeling, really high quality swimsuits. I will leave all of the info for the exact fabrics and the details of those fabrics in the description below because it's actually very interesting. I also love them because they have guided meditations on their website for before you try on swimsuits. So if you struggle with positive thoughts about your body when you're trying on swimsuits, these meditations are there to kind of combat that and get you in a good headspace to try on a swimsuit, which I had never seen before. Just love that. Think they're really cool. They sell a high quality product. I'll leave their link below and I hope that you check them out. Thanks for putting up with my voice and my appearance. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.